2 years ago, I was driving the combine featured here. Yeah, that's me. And I was working on a 7,000-acre crop farm in Australia. You might notice that my eyes are focused on the screen of a yield monitor, which is where an algorithm is converting the amount of wheat that I'm harvesting into a color-coded yield map instantaneously. My hands aren't even on the steering wheel. The harvester is steering itself based on satellite navigation. All I'm doing is adjusting the speed. Technologies such as smart tractors that gather massive amounts of data and robotic milking machines in the dairy sector are just some of the technologies that are going to revolutionize the way our food is produced. Collectively, these technologies are often referred to as precision agriculture, which can be defined as the use of technologies that gather data to help farmers make more site-specific management decisions. Precision agriculture presents an exciting opportunity to decrease agriculture's impact on the environment, increase profitability in farming, and create a more transparent and traceable food system through the use of data. However, in order to realize these benefits, we need to consider how farmers will adapt to using these technologies. Research in the past has focused on the technical dimensions of developing precision technologies, whereas my research, on the other hand, makes a significant contribution by focusing on how precision technologies might change power relations within the agricultural industry, with an emphasis on farmers' perspectives. The purpose of my thesis is to understand the social impacts of precision agriculture, and I have 3 key results to share with you. My first result is that looking at the 2016 Census of Agriculture, I found that precision technologies are increasingly being adopted in the cropping and dairy sectors right here in Ontario. My second result is that when I interviewed farmers using these technologies and the retailers that sold them, they reported that farmers don't often know how to use the data that they're collecting to make management decisions. Therefore, farmers send their agricultural data to companies for analysis. This in turn leads to questions over data ownership, privacy, and whether farmers can actually trust these companies and technologies. My final result is that while precision agriculture technologies are beneficial to farmers, they also run the risk of increasing corporate control over our food system by the companies collecting this agricultural data. In closing, this is why research such as mine that focuses on the human dimension of who's in the driver's seat using these technologies is so important for feeding the future. Thank you.